In nice fashion. Rain falling nice and good. All you hear in the mic down in the distance. Look at that rain. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful.
Where they worship and just how we worship Ganesha and Krishna.
Right, we here.
Father's mother.
Is this
She taught me how to mix masalas. So it's almost
Bring
like
some for me, okay? She made it. I want to try your masala.
my mix?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bring it.
Let me check what that gallant.
Mix a
Classic gallant here, guys. Classic. Real long time thing. Trinidad and Tobago. I remember growing up and seeing these things all about. My brother-in-law come here to pick up this pickup. He just buy this. Put some air in the tire. I think he's gonna drive it from here where he buy it to take it home. So we just kind of all came to help him out.
Yeah, nutmeg, very important.
yeah.
Because they're costly, so they don't put it.
Yeah.
The market one.
So I was buying all this grape.
Look at that.
And onion seed, onion.
Good on here. What is that, diesel?
That's onion seed, you know that?
Is that diesel?
That's an onion seed.
So we're here. It's Sunday afternoon. We're just kind of hanging out. And we're just here helping my brother-in-law pick up his vehicle that he just purchased from somebody. He has a farm, so he takes care of his animals, and he wanted something to move grass with. And I was showing my friend Alok. You guys will meet Alok eventually, but Alok is from India, but he lives in Chicago in the Amaji Ashram. And I was showing him how here in Trinidad, in the West Indies, how much culture we have from India. See on top there the elephant, Ganesh, Baba, and a temple in the back there. Every house in Trinidad you'll find have like a small temple, or you'll see flags, and you'll see a jandi in the yard, or like a lingam, which kind of shows how they still adhere to and hold on to their ancient roots in Hinduism or Hindu culture, you know. So you'll see a lot of that here. All right, the beast has been started. Is that diesel? Yeah?
That's two.
How much?
That's two.
Dash 2. Datsun. Datsun original. Yeah, I missed it. I ain't get it on the video. Yeah. No, I was rocking the van.
You want to talk fancy car?
No, I was doing YouTube and thing now, so I was showing the...
Come on, it's in the back there. You want to take pictures, eh?
Yeah. See, no. Yeah. All right.
You want to take pictures quick? The RX?
Let's
Hey,
see.
come on, the battery, the big battery.
Is that how you know?
Yeah. There are yellow one, I get yellow one. The battery going around, eh? See this battery?
Yeah.
Take the battery and carry the battery going on.
This is the one you're working... Whoa, original rotary, right? 13B. Look.
I will see the charge on my bike. Yeah, because I come walking and I pick up with you for somebody to fit my bike. So that's what you value.
This yours or you're working on this? Okay.
Sure, next one here now. We'll have a kid. Moving. Put that one in the back, please.
Wow. You put any flare kit on this one? Is the same gen as that one? They are gen. The gen Two.
Yeah. So it's
That Gen 1, there's Gen 2.
Two is first.
2 is first. Okay.
What's this? Like you got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so only one Canada. Only
Oh, yeah.
Only license in Canada.
Yeah.
I'm not fixing it up.
Good here. This is the
That's the
end product here, guys. Building back a whole. Yeah.
So how they get the old car, man? Import from US or what?
No, local. He's rebuilding here. But the kit, this one, the body kit he brought from Miami. Oh, the whole shell.
No, only flare.
Okay.
I had a shell here, but everything I make it real, but just bolt to bolt.
Wow.
There's nothing with that. Real, but I do it real, but only just bolt to that.
Nice. So you have a body shop here. You do like body work and thing. Thank you for showing us that, man.
You like to come on.
Yeah.
This one driving every day.
Nice. This is your daily driver.
Yeah, I got it.
Nice. Yes. Oh wow, original stick shift too, man. Yeah, look. Oh, nice. And door close, nice.
I like it.
No, I love it, man. Hey, do a good job on it too with the body work, man. Looking nice. Yeah. All right, we leaving. A pleasure, sir. Your name? Your name?
Dave.
Dave?
Yeah.
Mahesh. Nice to meet you, man. And thank you for showing us your cars, man. That was nice.
I'm Ari. I don't have two though.
What is your name?
I'm showing you.
Dave.
There? I'm from India.
Okay.
Hello. But I'm New Delhi.
New Delhi. Oh, sorry for going to coming out. No, no.
All right, thank you. We'll chase them down. Thanks.
You know how to get there, huh?
No, I'll follow them now.
Okay, then you drive, man. You drive.
All right, we'll chase them down. They leave. Well, all you know how it is in Trinidad. All you have your little garden in the backyard. Look at that. You don't have to go market. Just come in the back here and pick your dashin, right? Dashin bush. But the dashin plant could also be eaten as arrows. Correct? Dashin bush. Now this is the one that is scratch your throat if you don't use lime in it. Nice. Again, bite up like that. Ants. I get ants in my pants and they make me dance. All you working through that, we getting bite here like that. Hey, ants climbing up we and biting all we foot and thing here, you know, watch. Look. Alright, we catch. All this is ants patch. Woo! Man, there's a lot of ants here, man. Next, we do some shopping for Diwali. They're stocking up on goods. They buy all the stuff we need for Diwali. And look, all you know is coffee.
And her oats too.
Who you going to
Oh,
ask?
one coffee. Huh?
Who you asking now?
Everybody on YouTube are asking them if they see this coffee.
Yes, ask them.
If all you
That is the best
Put in the
Trinidad coffee.
He said we like poor people thing.
No, I didn't say that.
That is the best Trinidad coffee. Who don't know about coffee? Drink Hong Wing coffee.
Alright, we'll find out. Leave a comment down below if all you agree with Shay. If all you agree with Shanti. Right, we're here with Prem in the house. We just know Chunky apart. I said right? Chunky. Chunky. Alright. 12 a.m. Trinidad time.
10 minutes time, you're gonna get bread and chop.
Trini styling. We liming whole day. We up and down. Go and get some chana and hops bread.
Yes,
Nice. I'll show you what that look like. Here we go. Nice. Whoa. All right. Good to see Prem. We got chana and hops bread. I don't know if all your Trinis out there know what this is, but all you know, this is a sort of a staple, a snack, right? Sometimes even in Shagonas you could stop and buy hops bread and cheese with chana in it.
Yeah.
Correct, yeah. I'll show you all what it looks like. And to give you all an idea, it's kind of like a doubles, it's close to a doubles in a way, kind of, but yeah. But it have its own unique taste, you know. Most Trinis out there, you'll know what I'm talking about. Mmm. Woo. They're hot, but it isn't good.
Kitchen, you know, for me and
Thank you, Prem. Very good.
That's alright.
Mm.
That's chai tea?
No, these are a sleep.